everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trained you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about setting app timers. It's a way that you're able to stay healthy, get off your phone. I know that we're at home being quarantined and on our phone more than normal. And let's say that you're not using your phone more than normal. Maybe you want to set a timer for particular applications. If you have a son or daughter, this is the best and a healthy way to get them off the phone, get yourself off the phone, and go do some hobbies or go for a walk. Now, before we dive deep inside of that, if you guys are brand new here at Samsung in a Minute, I know that about 85% of you watching this video is not subscribed, so you might as well just hit that subscribe button, join this party. It is free, and also don't forget to hit that bell on the right hand side and click on all, so this way you can see all of the videos that is popped out on this channel. Now let's first go inside of the settings and let me show you where you can set up this little app timer. Now as you scroll on down inside of the settings, you want to go inside of digital well-being and also parental controls. And as you scroll through here, you can see which applications are taking up most of the time on your phone. And right there is where it says app timers. Now you can sort all of these with a timer length. So if you already had some set up and you wanted to make some adjustments, or if you want to go by alphabetical name. But the best thing to do is go by screen time. It'll show you which application is used the most. And so I've been looking at a lot of memes, checking out Tiger King and a whole bunch of other, funny things. So I set this one for 30 minutes. So this way it'll gray out and I won't be able to use the application for the rest of the day. I put a timer for YouTube being 2 hours. And let's say that you wanted to go through and see what this looks like when you hit on no timer. Inside of this video application, you have 15, 30, 1 hour. Or you can go to custom, and then this is how I created that 2 hours. You can go all the way up to 3. Let's say the highest number is going to be 23 hours. You shouldn't be using any application for 23 hours in a 24-hour time frame. And when you do actually hit the limit, it'll turn the application off. And then let's say that we take a look. It'll completely gray it out. It's going to tell you that you cannot use it. You just hit on OK. If you do need to change the app timer, you can change it right there so you're not completely locked out. But it's a way that you'd be able to kind of monitor your kids. If you do set a timer and then maybe they went through and then they changed the app settings, the app time, you'd be able to just go back a different day and then see how long they've used it. And if it's longer than your timed schedule or that little timer, then you know that they went through and changed it. So it's really nice that you can monitor what your kids are doing and yourself. But this is a way that you'd be able to stay healthy during this time of quarantine, is setting app timers. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how